Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Deakin University. There are scholarships opportunities for undergraduate, postgraduate and research students who want to do PhD at Deakin University. So scholarship, invest in your future, invest in your study, be recognized for your academic achievement or efforts in community, find a scholarship that works for you and start your journey to your ultimate degree. Our scholarship caters for students from all walks of the life and personal situations. Which scholarship is for me? You can also find the scholarship here. You can search, and we will also go through the scholarship opportunities. For example, these scholarship Deakin funded undergraduate scholarships for for bachelor's degree. If you want to pursue your bachelor's degree in Deakin University, then you can apply for these scholarships. They have also mentioned how much the coverage of the scholarship here. Deakin Student Sports Scholarship, Vice Chancellor's Academic Excellence Scholarship, and who are the donor of that scholarship, how you can apply. For postgraduate scholarships, you can take a look here, and for research and PhD scholarships, higher degree by research scholarship, NHMRC postgraduate scholarships, and Fulbright Australia scholarship. Here you can take also, there are another scholarships available, international student scholarships and external scholarships. You can take a look more about higher degree by research scholarships. Click here. Now they will provide you the important dates, okay, and stipend, allocation allowance, how much will be the duration of your degree, and eligibility criteria as well, selection procedure. So they have mentioned all the details here, and how you can apply for that scholarship is, for example, if you are currently studying at Deakin University, then you can click here, and if you haven't, you want to apply now and you haven't got admission yet, then you can click here, find out more. Now application process, here they have mentioned all the application process. EOI is expression of interest. Here you can click and submit that, fill that application, that form. For the faculty of art and education, you need to check whether it is your faculty, then you can do it. If not, then leave it. For faculty of science, engineering and built environment, you can click here, expression of interest, and you need to find, you can also find the supervisor. For faculty of health, you can take a look about key dates. Application in 7 steps. For first step will be, you need to check the entry path. Entry to research degree at Deakin is based on your demonstrated capacity to undertake significant research in proposed field. Your ability can be demonstrated in a variety of ways. In addition to the entry path requirements, there are additional eligibility criteria for entry into scholarship. Find out more. You can click more about the entry pathways, and then second step will be, you need to find the supervisor. Then you need to arrange the referee reports, and then prepare your proposal, and also you need to provide the evidence of English proficiency. Here they have mentioned so if you are applying for faculty of science, engineering and built environment, then your overall band should be 6.5, no band less than 6.0. You need to prepare that required documents, and then after all these 6 steps, then you need to submit your application here. Apply by degree research application here. Here first you need to register and then log in and submit your application. And in that section, if like level of degree, in which degree you want to apply, research. And then student type will be, are you now recently, are you applying, or are you already studying in that university, so you are applying. And then scholarship type, academic merit or access equality, you need to select here. Citizenship, you can select here. International, okay. And then also science, engineering department, for example. So these are the scholarships, okay. If you are applying for higher degree research and you are not currently studying at Deakin University, academic merit, and you are international, so these scholarships are available for you, these two: higher degree research scholarship and destination Australia scholarship for international students. These are the coverage of the scholarship, and the closing date as well are mentioned here. And if you will have any question related to application procedure, how you need to, if you will have, if you find any difficulty regarding submitting your application, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel, and I wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye.